This is why we fucking were sitting in traffic. Look at this fucking guy. Hey, jackass! Oh my god. Hey, look, now we're fucking moving. Oh my god, that sucks. Fuck the exit. We're going down Route 11. Look at this shit. Look how fucking wide open we are now. All because of that fucking...
crazy. That motherfucker got blown over. That's like, there's no turnaround. He got blown the fuck over.
He didn't turn to the right too fast. He got blown the fuck over. Oh, they had to be fucking flying. If we would have left fucking Gander Mountain like 10 minutes earlier, we'd have been down where he was, and we'd have got fucking blown across the state.
It's like any kind of vehicle underneath.
Oh, I don't... Dude, that made me just think right there. That could be. That was fucking good right there. Now we're on the fucking gas pedal. That was fucking horrible, man.
That's ridiculous.
Yes, it was. That was like a fucking 6-mile stretch of shit. You hear that? Goo! I got that. There we cook 'em with gas.